Hello and welcome to today's video on the She Talk Systems channel. My name is Nicola Melinda and I am the host of She Talk Systems as well as the founder of Nicola Melinda Consulting. I'm an online systems consultant. I work with service providers helping them to organise and automate their business. So for today's video, I'm going to be walking you through 3 ways where you can use ClickUp to enhance your client experience. So what you are going to learn is how you can use ClickUp to bring your clients into the process and make it a much more high level experience for them and for you while you guys are working together. So stay tuned and I hope that this video is helpful for you. Please do feel free to subscribe and like this video if you find it of value. So tip number 1 is making use of the client dashboards. Now within ClickUp, they have an amazing feature called the dashboard feature. If you're a new user, I will insert a bit of a screen recording so you can see exactly where to find it and what that looks like. I'll also drop another video on my channel that goes into more detail on how to build out a dashboard. But the dashboards essentially allow you to embed documents from other platforms, Google Documents, that can help your clients find everything they need in one place. What's also great is that you can actually bring in features from the ClickUp platform itself, meaning that you can share task lists, project lists that your clients need to know about. You can share task updates, you can share documents, you can also have a chat feature inside of the ClickUp dashboard as well. I like to also incorporate the use of using buttons that link to external websites, quick access buttons to places such as a Google Drive or their client forms, just so it makes things easier for my clients. In the dashboard, you can also add branding elements by just uploading simple images into the dashboard, so you can welcome your clients, you can make it a personalized area for them, and once you share it with your clients, you also get a really great internal link that you can share and they can refer back to it. Now the clients will have to log into ClickUp in order to use or access their dashboards, but it is definitely a great tool if you want to be able to enhance that experience and bring a lot of elements that you use with your clients within your service container. If you want to bring that element into the dashboards, then this is a great way to do that. So tip number 2 is to create a specific project or task list for your clients. Now there's always some debate over whether you should bring your clients into ClickUp, into your project management tool or not. And I'm a great believer that if it is relevant and it's helpful for you and your client to work together, then do that. So if you have certain projects that you are working with your clients on, or there are tasks that they need to complete while you are working together, this is a great opportunity for you to do that. And so I'm a great believer in setting up a client specific folder, and that way you can actually have separate lists for each client. And the reason behind this is that you can have one list that manages internal tasks, so they are tasks that are just for your team to manage in relation to that client project, but also you have a separate list that you can share with your clients. Now what's great with ClickUp is that you can choose access levels within ClickUp. So if you only want your clients to have view only access, then you can give them that. If your clients have permission to edit or add comments, you get to decide as the business owner if they have that access right. So that's a great way that you can use these lists within ClickUp. And again, if you are using the dashboards, you can bring that task list into the dashboard so your clients can easily see what they have to do as you're adding tasks to it. They can close tasks off and they can also manage it as well. So the third and final tip, and by no means the least tip, but this is great especially if you are an agency or you have multiple clients who might come to you for different support requests, is you can make use of the ClickUp forms and use these as a support tickets feature. So this is a great way for you to manage the ongoing requests or ad hoc requests that may come up from your clients and they're not quite sure how to send these over to you. Their clients may be wondering, do they email you? Do they send you a message in Slack? Do they send you a WhatsApp message? So to keep things simple, you can create a simple form inside of ClickUp that collects all of the support questions that your clients may have. So if they need to have certain tasks they want to send to you, if it's work they want you to review, if they have a troubleshooting question, you get to decide what that support ticket actually covers. But what it does is it makes it super easy for your clients to actually submit that request, and you can manage that internally within your team. So as a recap, we've gone through 3 ways where you can start to use ClickUp and use that with your clients in an efficient way. So tip number 1 is using the dashboards. Tip number 2 is actually creating client task lists that you can assign to your clients, and you get to choose the access level. And tip number 3 is creating support tickets so your clients can easily send tasks or updates or troubleshooting or submit work to you in one efficient way for you to manage in your team. Are you using any of these features within your ClickUp right now? Let me know in the comments below. If you're not using ClickUp with your clients, I'd love to know why. Again, drop me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it valuable, please hit subscribe, like, and you can also come over and join us in the She Talks Systems Facebook group. Until next time, I will see you guys soon.